Sounds About Right
I'm
TV,
already.
January 25th, Sunday, at some kind of amusement park in Zhangzhou. Passenger buddy. Where's this going up to?
Up to the mountain, and then we're gonna take some pictures up there, and we're gonna take that thing down. Look back there. We're gonna take that thing down.
The bullet?
The bullet. Hey, let's see if you can shoot my Hey. Oh, where's your other camera?
Oh, it's in my pocket. Hold on. It goes up to a mountain?
Yeah. It goes up to the mountain.
What is there? You want to take a picture of Yima and your mom?
Yeah. Hold on, let me put my camera back first.
Dude, you have hella pockets. Why don't you put your stuff in your pockets?
Huh? No, but it's like later on when I ride that thing,
yeah.
I don't want that shit to fall out.
Like riding the lift to go boarding. Ew, what's down there? See your mom.
I can't even see them.
Zoom. Zoom.
This. Oh, there you go.
Zoom. Gold card. Dude, gold cards are triple. Look at the ocean.
Siwa!
I wanna go on the little water boat things over there. The little water boat there.
This is pretty high.
She's hella, bro.
Well, actually, I'll link it up. Because I want to take a picture with my phone.
Oh, is that the bullet thing?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
This is going to be tight.
Oh, it's right there, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sign off.
Are you camming?
Yeah, signing off, and more to come later.